I'm Rachel Fleischman. I'm a psychotherapist and an expressive arts therapist, which means I lead workshops and classes and trainings where we cycle through expressive arts like movement, dance, drawing, and writing. I developed Dance Your Bliss, my signature workshop, about 26 years ago, and I always say it's so much more than dance, but you will come into bliss. We all need the same thing. We all need to find our core, come back to center, like ourselves a little more, and we do that through the process that I teach. Not everyone needs the workshops, the Dance Your Bliss workshop and Living Your Bliss and the sleep workshops. They don't all need my workshops, but we all need these tools. These are tools to bring us back home into ourselves. What I love about my work is anything you do, I've tried, and I've made sure I look sillier than you ever will doing it. The vulnerability that I bring and the honesty and the silliness to every workshop, I think is one of the things that brings my students back again and again for decades. This process that I offer, it does change lives. And I don't need a massive workshop. There's something about me that, in a sense, kind of wants it small and intimate, so that, one of my special skills, I can read and support every person in the space. What I know is we live in busy, anxious minds. And when you're in a class like this, or working with a thought leader and movement leader like this, you get a reprieve from that. And you get tools that you're going to keep. Tools that I've worked over 2.5 decades to really hone, to really distill into the diamond. And I think that's what's so special, that we come out of the workshop different people, and no two workshops are the same because of that. So my hope is that if you're watching this, you can have an even better experience in creativity, life, sleep, movement, self-acceptance, radical acceptance. You don't have to come to my workshop, but I want you to do something. I just happen to think my way is a heck of a lot of fun. I really love what I do, and I want to share it with as many people that I can share it with.